Want to clone voices in 24 languages? I found a project that does exactly that. Let's check out the demo.
欢迎大家来到我的频道，这是一个多语种的语音克隆项目，支持20市面主流语言。الأصوات متعدد اللغات يدعم 40 لغات رئيسية. センクロンプロジェクトです。認証用の方をサポートしています。
Hello everyone, and welcome back to FM 19.2. It is time again for us to claim our free T4 GPU computing power from Google Colab. If you are already familiar with Google Colab, feel free to jump straight to the main section. First off, for those of you using Colab for the very first time, here's a quick navigation guide. Please open your Google Drive, click New in the upper left corner, then click More, and finally click Connect More Apps. In the search box, type Collaboratory, find the first result, and click Install. This step only needs to be done once. From now on, you can create new Colab files directly. For those of you who are ready, please check the description area below the video and click the Colab link I've prepared for you. I suggest opening a new window so you can follow my video while operating in your own Colab environment. Once you open the link, we're going to do 3 things. These are the key to success. First, save a copy. You must click File in the menu bar and select Save a Copy in Drive. This prevents you from altering the original file. The system will automatically open a copy for you in a new tab. Second, claim the T4 GPU in the new page, click Runtime, and select Change Runtime Type. For the hardware accelerator, you must select T4 GPU. This is the core of our free computing power. Last connect, after selecting and saving. Look at the upper right corner and click Connect. Wait until it displays T4, and that means your high-performance GPU is successfully connected. You can click on the connection information to check your remaining usage time, while free resource access can be dynamic. The T4 GPU is a fantastic resource for your daily projects. Nice! The T4 compute is online. Your Colab environment is now fully prepared. Now, follow along with the video, and we'll run the code step by step. Let's go. We're using Chatterbox Multilingual, a tool that can clone voices in 24 languages. Just hit the Run All button. It usually takes 10 to 15 minutes to process, but I'm going to speed up the video here. If you were asked to restart Colab at any point, just hit Cancel. Keep waiting until you see the links pop up at the bottom. Ignore the local URL and go straight for the public link. That will open up the Chatterbox for multilingual dashboard for us. The UI is super simple. On the left, start by entering your text. Just ensure it matches your selected language. One thing to note, changing the language setting will reset both your text and your voice reference. So choose your language first. Below that, upload your reference audio or record a clip. Then just hit the Generate button at the bottom. Once it is done processing, you'll see the result and a download option pop up on the right. Let's listen to a few examples I generated.
Hello everyone, guess who I am? I love FM 19.2's channel. Subscribe to it, or else I'll raise your taxes. 欢迎大家来到我的频道，这是一个多语种的语音克隆項目，支持24種市面主流語言。
のチャンネルへようこそ。これは長もクローンプロジェクトです。24億のもサポートしています。見つけた人がもらう人、なくした人は泣き。見つけた人がもらう人、なくした人は泣きを見る。のチャンネルへようこそ。これはシンクローンプロジェクトです。24/10をサポートしています。
Hello everyone, guess who I am? I love FM 19.2's channel. Subscribe to it, or else I'll raise your taxes. のチャンネルへようこそ。これはシンクローンプロジェクトです。認証用の方をサポートしています。
أحمل معي أوراق إثبات شخصية. في الشهر الماضي وصلنا إلى معلم جديد بمليارين من المشاهدات على قناتنا على يوتيوب.
أهلا بكم في قناتي. هذا مشروع لاستنساخ الأصوات متعدد اللغات يدعم 40 لغات رئيسية.
And that is it for today's video. I hope you have fun experimenting with this tool. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. This is FM 19.2, and I'll see you in the next one.